bago po isa, gusto ko rin i-acknowledge, of course, isa sa mga kasama ko sa nag-lingkod dito sa lungsod ng Antipolo, ang namumuno ng ating scholarship office, si Sir Lester nandun sa ikon. It's actually a big honor for me to come here and share with you the message of Mayor Joe Menares. Kasi between us, School Ninyo has a very, very special place in my heart. Mga ilan taon na kayo on average? 17, 18. And how old is your school? 17, 18. Right? So, 17, 18 years ago, ang isa sa mga pinagkatiwalaan ng founder ng school ninyo para i-set up yung Sumulong College of Arts and Science is, guess who? Sino? Kaya, naiyan pa kayo. Sino kaya? Sasalita siya sa harap ninyo. Ayun, so, pinanganak ka lang kayo ng time na yun. It was 17, 18 years ago. And syempre, contributing to the founding of the school and building the school, seeing what it is now and seeing yung students ngayon, syempre natutuwa ko how far the school has come. And I hope na yung time na nandun kayo has given you the skills to cope and equip you naman dito sa naging mga OJT natin dito sa City Hall. Kamusta naman yung experience nyo dito? Maganda naman? Okay. So, ako I'm very happy that you're given an opportunity to see firsthand yung scope and responsibility ng mga naglilingkod para sa ating bayan. So, I hope na nagkaroon kayo ng better understanding and appreciation sa trabaho na ginagawa dito. Were you able to see that? Yes? No? Yes? Napaka-lawak kasi ng mga responsibilities dito. No? From the time that a resident is born here up until a resident passes away dito sa Antipolo, eh syempre, kung ano man na may bibigay ng tulong ng pamahalaan ng Luzon ng Antipolo, ay ginagawa natin ang paraan. Every department here in Antipolo sees to it in every stage of life ng resident ng Antipolo ay makakatulong tayo. So ano yung mga offices na trabaho tayo? Accounting, library, engineering, OPSS, tourism, PIO. Also, marami kayong getting exposure when it comes to the different departments, the different services na binibigay dito sa Antipolo. And I'm proud na meet ninyo some of the hardest working people in the city that's providing that service dito sa mga residents natin. And I hope na naging fulfilling yung experience dito sa inyo. Marami kayo natutunan. Marami ba? Yes, okay, that's good. So now, ito mga programs na ito, I hope it will help guide you in the choice of the career that you will choose for yourself. So, and sana maisip nyo rin somewhere down the road na ang pagbibigay ng servisyo ng publiko ay napaka-fulfilling. So if ever any of you shall decide to serve the government, any agency, whether it's local government, provincial government, or any national agency of government, very, very fulfilling yan. At sa totoo lang, kailangan na rin natin ng mga new blood kasi kita niyo naman pa rin nangyayari sa balita. So we need fresh minds, pure hearts, na gusto talaga yung makapagbigay ng magandang servisyo sa ating mga kabayan. At sa nakikita ko naman dito sa inyo, discuss? Lagi sa inyo yun eh. No? Pero naniniwala naman ako. No? So, anyways, on behalf of the City Government of Antipolo, led by Mayor Ju Menares, kaming lahat ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat for participating in this program, and we hope that it was as fulfilling for you as it was for us na makapag-mentor sa inyo with the hopes that in your career choice you'll be able to serve not only Antipolo, your family, no, but also our country. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat and congratulations for completing the program. Thank you so much.
Alright, kaya palapakan po ulit natin Councilor Elvin Sumulong. Kaya palapakan nyo. Pero lang po sabi ko natin po sa public service is never been easy, but it's meaningful. Kaya palapakan nyo rin sarili ng sabihin ng City Government ng Antipolo. Para mag-affect na work together. Kaya, Sir LJ, sige po mag-photo upload po tayo. Kaya tayo daw ba yung mga nasa first and second class row? Sige tayo kayo. Para kumitahan sa mga. Ayan.